Hello, Storytime friends. I'm glad you're joining me for another book read aloud today, especially because this book is brand new. Only the ebook version, the one we're reading right now, is available. The print book version is actually not coming out until October, but we have ordered it for the library already, so we will be having it. But if you want to read the book again now after you watch the video, I'm going to put the link in the description of how to check it out from Hoopla, our app. And this book is all about being kind to ourselves, to the people around us, to our planet. The person who wrote the words for the book, the story, is named Monique Grace Smith, and she's a Native person. Her heritage is Cree and Lakota nations. And the person who drew these beautiful pictures is Nicole Needhart, and she's Navajo. So you might notice some native motifs in the artwork and in some of the words throughout the book. All right, let's get started. Let's read. I am kind when I help my family. Oh, our little kiddo there is helping to hang up the laundry. I am kind when I share with my friends. Oh, they're all coloring together, sharing their crayons and their paper. I am kind when I take my dog for an extra long walk. Oh, we're doing a lot of that these days, being outside since we can't be together inside as much right now. I am kind when I help my neighbor. Oh, look, she's helping him put his jacket on and his coat. Sometimes you need a little help to get that zipped up, right? That's a hard one. I am kind when I bring food to my elders. Yeah, our grandmas, our grandpas, the people who are in our community who are older. Sometimes we need to help them. They can't move around as well sometimes, and maybe we need to bring their plate right to them at the table. That's kind. I am kind when I only take from the earth what I need. Right? We've got some raspberries to pick there off of the bushes. Just take just enough to eat. I am kind when I take care of myself and get a good night's sleep. Yeah, we have to remember to be kind to ourselves too. To be generous with ourselves, just like we are with the people that we love. I feel joy when my family and I are kind. It does feel good to be nice to one another, doesn't it? I feel happy when my friend is kind to me. Look at them sharing their little dolls and stuffed animals, maybe having a camp out outside. I feel comforted when my cat is kind to me. Ugh, I always feel so good when my cats want to cuddle up with me and give me love. It always makes me feel safe and comforted, just like the little one in this picture. I feel loved when my elders are kind to me. Oh, there's a grown-up reading a book to the little one. I really love it when I get to see people sharing a book together like that. That is kind. I feel grateful when the earth is kind to me. Yeah, the earth grows all of those things that we love to eat. The corn, the raspberries we saw earlier, those beans maybe, looks like squash. The earth brings us so many wonderful things that we need to live and to be happy. I feel respectful when I am kind to myself. Yeah, you have to respect yourself. Talk kindly to one another. Talk kindly to yourself. When we are kind, we remember we are all related. Yeah, it's not just our family that we live with, or our grandmas and grandpas and aunts and uncles. Everybody is connected, right? The earth, the people, the animals. We all depend on one another to stay safe, to be happy, to be healthy. Yeah, it's up to all of us to be kind to one another, to care for each other, to be kind to ourselves and care for ourselves. That's something that we all can do, grown-ups, right? But also all of us little ones. We can all share in that and being kind. What's a way that you feel that you're kind? Oh, I love that. A way that I feel that I'm kind. I feel that I'm kind when I give someone a compliment. I think that that's just such an easy way to be kind, to tell them that you really like their mask, right? I've been seeing a lot of fun mask patterns that people are wearing. I always make sure to compliment them. Or maybe you saw that someone was working really hard on something. Maybe they were coloring a picture and you saw how long it took for them. how carefully they chose the colors. I always tell them that I noticed that, right? It feels good to be noticed. Feels good to be complimented. All right, until next time, Storytime friends, I hope that you have a lot of kindness in your life and you bring a lot of kindness to my life. So thank you. I love you. I miss you. Mwah.